Really quickly, I promise I am not going to make another trade again. I said that 3 trades ago. It's 2:37 in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time. We're still on June 17th, 2025, Tuesday, and I was taking a nap and I saw this. There's always an opportunity. I mentioned there's always opportunities in the market. Market is always up and down, up and down, up and down. We had this big move to the downside, 1 minute chart, and guess what happened? Yep, I didn't even through my fibs. I saw an opportunity, I jumped in, get out, and more ka-ching. So check out the video, let me know what you think, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy the video. And at the end I explain why I took the trade that I took. It's interesting, let me know if you understand what's going on. 2:21 in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time, and 1 minute chart. Market with this huge drop. Okay, we're gonna go over the trade. If I take a trade, which
order submitted.
Take it. We'll talk about the trade after.
Order filled.
Okay. Got in at 51. There we go. 51, so 35 I think would be a great take profit. We have a market hit this support zone and we have a target zone way down here, but let's wait and grab a few points here. Let me make this really quick. I said what, 35, 36, that's 15 points. Okay, that's gonna be my take profit. This should happen really quickly. Come on, break that supporting trend line. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Up and down, up and down. 1 minute is crazy. I do not recommend trading 1 minute. 1 minute is good for, I mean, the NQ is so volatile that the good thing about the 1 minute is that you're gonna find out really quickly is the trade gonna happen or not, and you don't have to wait until a disaster strikes. Come on, break that. Come on, break that one. I think that this trade is gonna take a well, we could hold it for more points, but the reason I'm doing 1 minute is I just want to get in, get out, and be done. Okay, here they come. Come on. So we already know their intentions. 36. I could have closed that trade right there. And anyway. Come on. And I place my take profit farther down in case they make a big drop. Come on.
Target filled.
Ka-ching! Target fill. Wow, what an awesome trade. Oh, I'm asleep. I'm still sleepy because after all those trades in the morning, I'm like, well, you know what? I'm tired. I need to take a nap. And I just woke up. And I say, well, it's 2 in the afternoon. We always market is always giving setups. So it's like, you know what? We might have a good setup, and here we got it. So we have here. We'll go over the trade in a few. We have NASDAQ, sell, setup, up. We have entry, 2 contracts at 21,951. Pop up. We have target 2 at 21,936. I love nice round numbers. 15 points. Up. And we have total trade. We have 30 points, which equals $600. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives $20 per NASDAQ point. Boom. Oh, what a beauty. 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. 4-minute trade, $600. It's just so crazy. And people say I don't work. It's funny, the other day I was talking to some friends, and what I was talking about, I don't remember right now. I try to ignore those dumb comments. I was talking about something, and his mom told me like really sneaky, you know, like, I don't know how you're gonna do that because you don't have a job. I'm like, what? Are you crazy, lady? I don't have a job. I am a self-employed. Most people don't understand, especially I don't want to say old, but people think that if you're not grinding it 9 to 5, you don't have a job. So I found that funny. Anyway, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, 30 points, $600. And now let's go over. Let me know in the comments what you think about this trade. Of course, you might be saying, Rabot, why did you do what you did? Okay, I'm gonna show you. Let's go. Let me save this. 0617, and this is trade number 4. Trade number 4 for the day. Pop. Okay. Now, okay, how we gonna reverse engineer this trade? Well, we are in a 1-minute chart. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Pop. Okay, we have A, B, C. Actually, it's here. And then we have a big support zone I mentioned. We have a smaller support zone. Actually, this zone, copy paste. You're gonna see why in a minute. There we go. Okay, and it makes sense because it almost got to that level and it bounced back. We have a target zone way down here. Okay, Market passed this small support, and now they at least gonna try to push towards that target zone. Ron, what are you saying? Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Pop. Okay, here we have it. It ain't that clear here. We don't have any price swings. We are just, if we consider that this is the high, and let's use this pivot, right? This is the high, and market, it's just going and going and going and going and going. They kind of held here a little bit, and then they kept on pushing. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we have a target zone. Market already tested this support zone right here. Okay, they tested once, swap. They tested twice, swap. And what's the probability of happening next? Third time, and not because 1, 2, 3. This is the important zone here. This target zone, big target zone. Where do I get that big target zone? If this is a 15-minute chart, let's go one chart up. Here are all the trades for today. 1, 2, 3, 4 successful trades. Today was an awesome trade. Awesome trade. Now let's go to the 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart. What we have. Let me get all these numbers off here. It's funny because we had one trade every 2 hours. Okay, we have one here, 2, 3. We didn't have one here. I was sleeping. Leia, give me a second. Ay, mommy. Okay. So this one, the biggest candle, I was taking a nap because I thought I was done, but boom, and then okay, let me get these numbers out of the way. So we have here A, B, C, and now D. 2-hour chart. We grab our fib from high to low, support, up, and now target. Why do I think they're going to target? Well, it was a little risky. That's why I used the 1-minute chart. Okay, because if they were gonna bounce back, it was gonna be a big move to the upside. So I lowered my risk. I went to the 1-minute chart. Let's go to the 1-minute chart again. Okay. And give me a few seconds until it takes time for it. Okay. So we enter the trade. I enter the trade. 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. Trade here, and the stop loss right here. Okay, so well, from 50 to 60, that's a 12 and a half, 30 point, 15 point risk. You see, I put my stop loss way up here, but usually I follow the trade in the 1-minute chart. And I could have grabbed maybe a few more points here, but anyway, that's another story for another video. So I managed I knew the trade was high probability, but not as 90-something% probability. when I go to the 1 minute chart, oh yeah, we have right here, A, B, pop, resistance, FOAP, retest, and then FOAP, and then the push. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of tricky. I don't expect you to understand everything I'm trying to explain here, but that's what I saw, and that's it. All right, now I'm gonna get out of here. No more trades for me. I'm done. Oh, sorry. So please subscribe, share, comment, and I have a surprise for you guys. So watch out for the next video, and let's make great things together. Wanna learn my trading strategy? Wanna join our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Ka-ching.